Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with a blog to watch. Today I'm going to review an interesting Zenith, which is a collaboration with a colleague in the media space, Waco of Revolution. This is the Zenith and Revolution Chronomaster Revival A3818 Cover Girl Carbon. It's a mouthful, and there's a lot to say about this watch. I won't be able to say it all. For the full story of it, seek out Waco's dictation on why he came out with this. He has a lot to say about carbon, carbon fiber, forged carbon, Zenith, the Revival series. This is a watch that's near and dear to his heart. Why was I interested in it? I was interested in it because he took a smaller vintage style watch, produced it in a very lightweight material, which is very nice looking, forged carbon. I think everyone, since we've seen them using it at Autumn RPGA, has appreciated it. Forged carbon has come out in a much lower priced way, but the differences between forged carbon become apparent when you look at the surfacing. So here, clearly they wanted to go with a highly textured, attractive, visually forged carbon material that was CNC machined into the shape. It's a 37 millimeter wide watch, not super big, but I will say that the Chronomaster A3818 case with its more geometric style, slightly bigger lugs, it doesn't exactly wear large, but I wouldn't say that it looks as petite as other 37 millimeter wide watches might look depending on your wearing situation. The watch it's an El Primero, and it's got the caliber 400 automatic El Primero movement. It operates at 5 hertz, all those great things. Nice lume on the dial. I think one of the reasons that people like this particular vintage style is not just the case, but this particular dial design, which is lovely. I will say that the white and black of the dial slightly compete with attention for sort of the white and blacks and grays and slight glossiness from the forged carbon material, which is on the dial as well. So there's a little bit of busyness. I think sort of on a computer screen where this was designed, it might have been a little bit more legible. But in the real world, with the way that light plays with this, there's a few things competing for your eye's attention. Again, that doesn't make it not legible, but from a strict utilitarian standpoint, this textured dial to match the textured case might have not been the most practical choice. But again, no one's getting this for practicality. I mentioned that I was interested in this watch. Another reason was the lightweight nature of it. This might be the most lightweight Zenith ever, definitely within the Revival series. Depending on the strap, there's actually 3 strap options that come with it. One of them is very expensive, and I'll get to that in a minute. This watch can weigh as little as 55 grams. On one of the other straps, it goes up to something like 59 grams. I think your average G-Shock is maybe 80-something grams. So you can just sort of get an understanding about how lightweight it is. It's not very large, which helps, but it has, of course, a metal movement, and that is going to have some weight to it. So when you hold it in your hand, it is a really nice, lightweight little watch, and it's comfortable on the wrist. This is I guess you call it the printed leather strap, which is supposed to look like that stepped ladder, which is quite distinctive with this generation of sort of vintage style and actual vintage Zenith watches. That bracelet in forged carbon is available, the ladder bracelet. However, it's really, really expensive. The bracelet costs more than the watch, I believe. And according to Zenith and Revolution, only 10 of the bracelets are going to be made. So this watch in total, 150 made. The Zenith and Revolution Chronomaster Revival A3818 Cover Girl Carbon, again, it's a limited edition of 150 pieces. The price starts at $12,320 for the version on the strap, and on the bracelet for those 10 pieces, it goes up to $27,210. So a lot more for that bracelet. Probably one of the most exclusive bracelets available on the market right now, and you can see more on a blog to watch. Thanks.